about to witness a demonstration of some of the most hardcore, down and dirty, hard-charging power aerobatics known to man, which come as a result of Sean's more than 22,000 hours of combined fixed-wing and rotary wing flight time. This is a one-of-a-kind aircraft that you see Sean flying, and in just a few short moments, Sean is going to give you an example of exactly what it's capable of. Watch closely now as Sean begins the pull to the vertical, tumbles this aircraft on its way up, and now performs a forward flip in the Oracle Challenger 3. Now in the inverted or negative G recovery, once returning to airshow, the half roll to upright begins the Hui loop. This is an inside-outside loop with a tumble at the top. The first half is inside, or what we call positive G's. The second half is outside, or negative G's. Almost 5 negative G's, in fact, trying to throw Sean out of the cockpit at the bottom end of that last maneuver.
The man is sick. He literally got killed.
Now in the turnaround, Sean is going to return to show you the maneuver which he calls the double hammerhead. 235 miles an hour, 15 feet above the ground. The pull to vertical again, now rolling left and stopping. Shoulder roll to the right and stopping again. Nose perfectly vertical and 0 forward airspeed. Right now, hard, full left rudder as Sean completes not 1, but 2 consecutive hammerhead turnarounds.
Oh, he's going down this time.
Another inverted recovery takes Sean away from the crowd. Now climbing skyward, he is going to tumble this aircraft end over end. Another forward flip. And then we're going to go live to the cockpit. Sean D. Tucker, are you with us?
I got to say the first thing. Happy New Birthday, Jay! Oh, man! I got to say, ladies and gentlemen, I am so honored to be here. Die dancing. Woo! Over 50 again. Up and out. That Yankee Air Museum. It's a blast. You're the magic of life with you. I always come up with so inspired to see it here. So let's say it together. Let's finish this research. There's 3 paths. Where is the English
Flying upside down.
You got that right. It's God bless America.
God bless
Let's
America.
get set up for the torque blow. You talk to him about it. Thanks for coming, you guys.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, climbing skyward, Sean is going to show you the maneuver which was first seen in 1972, and it was used by Mr. Charlie Hillard to win for the United States the World Aerobatic Championship Trophy. It's called the torque roll, and right now Sean shifts into reverse.